if you're looking to create your own NFT and launch it without any gas fee, then this video is for you. So we are going to use OpenSea for this. So first what you want to do is you want to create your account and connect a wallet to OpenSea. If you don't know how to do this, there's a link on the top of the screen. Just click that and it'll lead you to a video which I've made exactly showing how to connect your wallet to OpenSea. So for those of you who know how to do this, you have to go to your profile and click on create and then choose an item, choose a photo that you want to upload. So I'm going to upload just any random picture to show you, and you need to add a description. A good description would be actually helpful. So all these steps are used when you're launching your own collection. Well, obviously this is not a collection, this is just one NFT. And then this is the main part. Here you will have two options. One is Ethereum and one is the Polygon blockchain. So this is usually used for without, I mean, this is used if you don't want to pay any gas fee. So for those of you who are wondering that this is not going to work, well, 4 or 5 months ago, this was not very popular and no listing on this was sold. But nowadays, people prefer to upload on this blockchain if they don't have any money. So after you select this, you're going to go to create and click it. And here it is. I finally created my NFT. But this is not all what we have to do. We have to sell it, of course. So we click on sell and then decide an amount for your NFT. I'm going to go with $2, that is 0.001, and I'm going to list it for 7 days. And this is our output. So I'm going to then we have to go click on complete listing, and then you have to click on sign and it'll do a bunch of verification. So yeah, this was it. I finally listed my NFT. And if you want to see where you've listed it, go to profile, go to listings, active listings, and here is my NFT which I just listed. So if you have any questions or any doubts in your mind, write a comment down below and I will reply to it. And if you want to watch my other videos regarding how to launch your own NFT collection, how to mint 10,000 NFTs, and any other problems that you have related to NFTs, that is all covered in my videos. So there'll be links down below to all the videos. And if you like the video, please do subscribe and share the video.